guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and I'm back with another Stitch Fix video. This is January Stitch Fix. I did skip December. I was a little bit overwhelmed with a lot of things I had going on in my life, so I did only get one video up in December. I apologize. I'm trying to fix it. I do have a lot going on though, so no promises, but we will see. But I'm back, and here is January Stitch Fix. For those of you that don't know how Stitch Fix works, you pay $20 a month, which is a styling fee, or $20 as often as you want a box, and a personal stylist puts together 5 things for you. It can range from shoes, clothing, to accessories, scarves, necklaces, earrings, all kinds of things. And that's all. You take a style quiz. That's how they know what you like. You can pin stuff on a Pinterest board and they can look at it. They can look at your Instagram, Facebook, all kinds of things. And they just pick things out for you. So let's unbox. The things that you like, you keep and you pay for. The things that you don't like, you send back in a mailback bag. And they do send you the mailback bag, so you do not have to pay for shipping. Whatever you keep, you get $20 off because you paid $20 for a styling fee. And if you keep everything, then you get 25% off at the very end. So, without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay, I got my stuff right here. It looks nice and warm and cozy and wintry. That's exciting. And I need my prices so I can tell y'all how much everything is. Oh, the first thing is polka dots. I didn't even see any polka dots when we first started this. Like when I showed y'all the sneak peek, I didn't see any polka dots. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a top. This is so cute. It's like, it's kind of see-through, so you would need an undershirt, and it's just like this black and white polka dot blouse. This is the Kaylee Aldama Scoop neck blouse, and it is $48. If I try this on and I really like it and I think I could wear it to work, I'll keep it. But $48 is a little bit pricey for me for a shirt like this. So we'll see what happens. So after trying this polka dot shirt on, I don't think I'll be keeping it. It's just not that appealing to me. I don't find it very flattering to me. I do think I could wear this to work, but I do think $48 is kind of expensive for a shirt I'm gonna mess up at work. So I do believe I'll be sending this top back. This looks so cute, guys. I don't know what it is yet because I haven't unfolded it, but it looks like scrunchy right here, like stretchy and florally and soft, and I am excited to see what this is. Oh, it's another top. This is so cute. I don't know if it's off the shoulder. I'm not sure if this top is on the shoulder or off. I think it's off. We'll see for sure when I try it on. But I think this is so cute and comfy, and it kind of looks long enough that you could wear it with leggings, which would be really exciting, especially in like the springtime. This is called the Luxe Juliet Knit Top, and it is $38, and if this fits right, I think it is totally worth the price. So after trying this floral top on, I do not think it's off the shoulder. It looks weird if I pull it off the shoulder. It looks like your shoulders are supposed to be here. So I don't think it's off the shoulder. However, I find this shirt so cute and comfy and flattering for me. And I really think this is just such a cute shirt. Like, you can get dressed and feel cute, but not have to really get dressed. I really like these sleeves. I really think this is a cute shirt that you could wear any season. So I'm pretty excited, and I think I will definitely be keeping this shirt. Next, we have this pink sweater. Oh, this is cute. This feels cozy. I hope it's not cropped. It looks kind of cropped, and I kept one cropped sweater, the white one. I don't know if y'all saw, it was like 2 boxes ago, I want to say. And I kept a white cropped sweater, and I cannot figure out how I want to wear it. So it's kind of causing problems for me. This is the Cotton Emporium Fiona pullover, and it is $42. If it fits good, then I think I'll keep it if it's long enough. But if it's not very long, like that it would cover the top of my pants, I probably won't keep it. This pink sweater, I do find it very cute and comfy, and I really want to keep it. But it is so short that I know I will not know how to pair it. Just like the white one, I can't figure out how I want to wear it because I don't like the button on my jeans to show. And I don't want my butt hanging out in leggings and the front hanging out in the leggings. Like, I feel like your shirt should be longer. So I just can't quite figure it out. So I will unfortunately be sending this sweater back. Next, we have what looks like another sweater. Oh, that's folded weird. Oh, it's a turtleneck sweater. Oh, guys, this looks cozy. This would be perfect to wear today. It's like 16 degrees outside. So cold. Oh, this is so cute and cozy. This would be so good on just like a cold day with a pair of jeans. A pair of jeans and just like boots. Oh, gosh. So cute. This is the Hawthorne Sharon Thumb pullover, and it's $78. And as cute and warm as this looks, I will most likely, like 99.9% not keep it because that's almost $100, and that is just so expensive. Who would pay that? Not me. So this is the turtleneck sweater, and I am in love. I love this sweater. It feels so comfy, so cozy. It feels perfect. I just cannot spend $78 on this sweater. I do get $20 off, but I'm also keeping the floral shirt. So, oh my gosh, it has thumb holes. It has holes. Guys, I might keep it. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna keep this sweater. I just got Christmas presents. I just got Christmas money. I am gonna keep this sweater. Even though it's $78, I'm gonna splurge. Don't judge me. That's all. I'm gonna splurge. I'm gonna keep this sweater. It's so cute. This would be so cute with just a pair of jeans. You could wear this year after year after year. It keeps your hands warm. This sweater is perfect, and I'm keeping it. And last but not least, we have a cardigan. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this kind of looks like something a grandpa would wear. Like, I was gonna say Kurt, but y'all don't know who he is. It looks like my grandma's husband would wear this. This looks just like something he has. If I wanted to match Kurt Mimi, I would wear this. This is the In Creamy Zama button-down cardigan, and it is $48. And I know I said it looks like something Kurt, who is my grandma's husband, would wear, but I'm still kind of excited to try it on because I still feel like it could be a cute baggy sweater with like a shirt on underneath, unbuttoned, and leggings. So I'm excited. So here we have the cardigan. I do find this cardigan very cute and I want to keep it, but I'm keeping the expensive sweater, and this cardigan has like these holes in it, you know? So this isn't really like a keep you warm cardigan. This is like a stylish cardigan. And I have so many. I actually have one this color that I got from Stitch Fix. It's just a little bit longer and it has elbow patches. So I'm going to send this cardigan back. So now that I've decided what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to send back, I'm going to go ahead and put everything that I'm going to send back in this mailback bag so that I can just stick it in my mailbox tomorrow morning on my way out the door for work. And that is all. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up. It really supports my channel. If you would like to keep seeing more, then please hit the subscribe button. And if you guys have anything that you would like to see from me, please comment down below and let me know. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Also guys, if you're still here at this point in the video, I appreciate you staying and watching, and I have a question for you. I am trying to grow my Instagram following a little bit. Right now, it is my personal Instagram. So the only people that I really interact with on Instagram are personal people. But I would like to change that up a little bit and get more of a following on Instagram. So my Instagram is the same as my YouTube. It's Katie Shindig. So if you guys would go follow it and comment on a picture and let me know like different types of things that y'all would like to see me post on Instagram, or like pictures that you like, because right now I just don't post all that often, I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Ta-da! Ready to go.